Renee, please, I've heard of escalation clauses, but I don't know if I fully understand what that means.
Okay. What an escalation clause is
Well, here we are. We're at United Wholesale Mortgage, and I knew you'd want me to bring you here as our nation's #1 home purchase money lender. I'm Scott Griffin, your host today, and today's an awesome episode. We get to learn about strategies relating to real estate and opportunities to get the market's best price. And we're joined by Renee from Remax, and she's amazing. I can't wait for you to meet her. Come on. So here we are, we're at UWM's headquarters, and talk about fun. We're not alone. We're with Renee of Remax, Michigan's top real estate firm, helping families win the homes they fall in love with. Well, I've been excited to visit with you, Renee. We were talking earlier about buying real estate here in Michigan's market.
the market's really interesting. This is a very unique market, being that there's multiple offers, lack of inventory for buyers.
Oh, wow. So we're still, and I thought so, but you're confirming it, we're still in a seller's market.
Absolutely, still in a seller's market.
What about those buyers watching us right now, trying to compete in today's environment, trying to win the house they fall in love with? What kind of strategies would you recommend?
Listen to your realtor. If you hire an expert realtor, listen to them, because if they tell you that you've got to come in strong, asking, then listen to them, because I've had so many buyers who've lost out on homes based on the fact that they listened to maybe some relatives who said, no, you can come in lower, you don't have to do this, you don't have to do that. And then they lose. And I always tell my buyers, how important is it for you to have this house? Because if they're okay, then we come in per what the family says. But if they're not, then we got to go to level 2 of, we talk about inspection only. We talk about an appraisal guarantee. We talk about going higher than asking, and potentially even an escalation clause.
Renee, please, I've heard of escalation clauses, but I don't know if I fully understand what that means.
Okay, what an escalation clause is that you're saying you're going to go $1,000 higher than the highest verifiable offer.
Oh, so if somebody else offers a strategy price that's higher than the one that we presented, the escalation clause invites our offer to get a little bit bolder than the last one that showed up.
Absolutely.
But they have to show us that they actually have a viable offer that was higher than one we presented.
Absolutely.
And that lets us always be $1,000 higher.
Yes.
Well, that's what happens when you work with experts of industry.
Yeah.
You get strategies to help you win the houses you actually fall in love with.
Very important. This is the market to do that.
What about staging, Renee?
Staging
How
is
important
huge.
is staging and getting the house its sale-ready move?
Staging is huge. One of the services that we offer as the DeKroub team is that we provide staging on all of our homes, and that's part of our service. It's huge.
So a seller working with you and your team
Yes.
can have the staging included in getting the house sale ready?
Yes, and it's important. I would encourage it. I would request it. We need to get the house show ready so that we can show the house as if a buyer would come in and be able to see for themselves where they would live.
Renee,
Yes.
you're so amazing.
Oh,
thank
thank
you
you.
so much for helping Michigan families win the houses they love, sell the homes they want to sell, and bring so much to our markets here.
Well, thank you, Scott. It's a passion. I love it. I love it every single day. And I'm really excited to have met you and be part of working with you in the future.
Well, I love it too, Renee, and my goodness, here we are talking about winning and winning real estate, and thank you so much for joining us here today. I'm Scott Griffin, your host, and until next time, bye.
Bye.